In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create subtasks in Jira to speed up your sprint planning. It's a useful feature that can make a huge difference in efficiency, especially for software development teams who rely on agile methodologies. So, let's jump right into the steps. First, you're going to need access to the Atlassian platform. You can do this by navigating to their official website, which is your go-to hub for collaboration software aimed specifically at software, IT, and business teams. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your login details, so make sure you have those handy. Once you've logged in, head over to your Jira homepage. This is a central hub for all your projects and where you can easily manage your tasks and workflows. When you arrive at Jira Home, you should see a list of your existing projects. Choose the project where you want to automate the creation of subtasks. This will take you to the project's overview page. Now, once you're in the selected project, look around for a small icon that has 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Click that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, head over to the project settings. Accessing the settings is crucial because this is where you can configure the rules that will help automate tasks for your project. In the Project Settings pane, find the section for Automation. Here you will have the option to create a new rule. Click on the Create Rule option. This is where the magic happens, as this functionality allows you to set specific triggers and actions that automate task management. After you've chosen to create a rule, you'll be prompted to select a template. Templates are predefined rules that you can use as a starting point to build your own automation. They are quite handy as they save you time by providing a basic framework that you can customize according to your project's needs. Once your template is selected, the next step is to enable the rule. To do this, simply click the Turn on Rule button. This activates your rule, allowing the system to automatically execute the actions defined whenever the specified conditions are met. The final step in this process is to create your subtasks. After enabling your rule, locate the option to Create Subtasks and select it. This will ensure that whenever a parent task is created within this project, all necessary subtasks are automatically generated as per the rule you've just activated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up your Jira project to automatically create subtasks, streamlining your sprint planning and allowing you to focus more on what really matters, developing great software. Thank you for tuning in today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your workflow with Jira.